Children, welcome to today's Max online class. So in the previous class, what we did, we wrote in the classwork shapes, straight lines, curved line and plane shapes. All I explained and given to write, isn't it? So we'll continue the classwork in today's class. Keep ready the classwork, fresh page. We'll continue with the classwork. So in the previous class, I gave about plane shapes. Now keep ready fresh page in the classwork and write heading solid shapes. Solid shapes. Solid shapes. Okay. SOLID, solid, SHAPS, shapes. So which are the plane shapes? Circle, triangle, square, rectangle and oval. I gave in the last class, previous class, isn't it? Now solid shapes. Which are the solid shapes? See how to draw. First draw circle, then inside like this. So this is sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Use scale and draw neatly. This is cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Then cylinder. Cylinder. Okay. So, how to draw? See carefully. Then draw neatly. First, take out the classwork book, fresh page. Write heading in the fresh page. Solid shapes. SOLID, solid. SHAPS, shapes. Solid shapes. Then what is this? Sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. So, how to draw the sphere? Draw circle first and ball you will draw now like that. Sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. What is the shape name? S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. This is cone. First draw. Triangle you will draw now like that. Then curve. Upper curve, lower curve. Okay. Don't draw like this. Some will draw like this. This is wrong. Okay. Like this. Then upper curve, lower curve. This is cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Cone shape. Okay. Then cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-R. Cylinder. So how to draw cylinder? First draw straight line, both the side. Then upper curve, lower curve. Upper curve, lower curve. Like this. Understand? Understand how to do? Sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. C-O-N-E, cone. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. What is this? Cylinder. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. C-O-N-E, cone. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Next. So, we'll draw the next shape. Shall I erase this? Have you understood? Yes. Draw in the next page. Don't draw all the shapes in the same page. You can use next page. Cube. How to draw cube? You know to draw square now, isn't it? Draw square. Then inside the square, you draw one more square. One more square. Two squares. Okay. After that, join the corners. Corners you should join. 3 and this corner. What is this? Cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. Okay. Next is silly. This one. Cuboid. How to draw cuboid? Means first you should draw the rectangle. Okay. You know to draw rectangle. Inside that, one more rectangle. Inside that, one more rectangle. Then join the corner. This corner. Then these two corners. And here. And these two corners. This is cuboid. What is the shape? Cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Understood? So one more time I'll show how to draw cube. How to draw cube means first you draw square. You know to draw square. One square you draw. Inside that, one more square inside that. Two square. Finish. Then join the corners. See like this. Understood? Any doubt now? No. Like that only cuboid. For cube you will draw two squares. For cuboid you will draw two rectangles. One rectangle. Inside that, one more rectangle. So then join the corners. This corner. This is cuboid. Understood how to do? Yes. Cube and cuboid. So which are the solid shapes? Sphere, cone, cylinder, cube and cuboid. These are the shapes of solid shapes. Okay. So have you understood how to draw this all? Have you finished? Have you drawn in the different pages, separate pages, no children neatly? Yes. So in today's classwork, you draw only solid shapes and practice in rough note. Okay. Classwork book only one main enough today. That is solid shapes. What I gave: sphere, then cone, cylinder shape, cube, cuboid. These 5 shapes you draw in the classwork today. After drawing in the classwork, close the classwork, take out homework. After writing homework, you should take out rough note and practice it. Okay. Today one main enough in the classwork because shapes all you should practice now. That's why. So now I'll give the homework. Maths homework. What you wrote in the previous class homework, children? You wrote 81 to 90 in words. 2 times I gave, isn't it? So in today's homework, you draw 91 to 100. Okay. Maths homework today, right? 91 to 100 in words. In words. 2 times you draw. Sorry, 2 times you write. Today's homework 91 to 100. N-I-N-E-T. Copy this one in which work? Homework, maths homework. This is today's maths homework. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. O-N-E-1. 91. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. T-W-O-2. 92. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. T-H-R-E-E 3. 93. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. F-O-U-R 4. 94. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. F-I-V-E 5. 95. N-I-N-E-T-Y 96. S-I-X 6. 96. NINETY 90, SCVEN 7, 97, NINETY 90, EIGHT 8, 98, NINETY 90, NINE 9, 99, then 100. 100 spelling. HUNDRED. 100. 100. 100. Okay. WRIT, right? 91 to 100 in words. NINETY 90, ONE1, 91. NINETY 90, ONE1, 91. NINETY 90, TWO2, 92. NINETY 90, TWO2, 92. NINETY 90, THRE3, 93. NINETY 90, THRE3, 93. NINETY 90, FOUR4, 94. NINETY 90, FOUR4, 94. NINETY 90, FIBE5, 95. NINETY 90, FIBE5, 95. NINETY 90, SIX6, 96. NINETY 90, SCVN7, 97. NINETY 90, SCVN7, 97. NINETY 90, EIDHT8, 98. NINETY 90, EIGHT8, 98. NINETY 90, NINE9, 99. NINETY 90, NINE9, 99. HUNDRED, 100. HUNDRED, 100. So this is today's homework. You copy down in the homework this, then you write 2 times in the homework, again practice in the rough note. Okay, got it? What is today's homework? After first what we wrote in the classwork, we wrote the solid shapes. After that, take out homework book, copy this. After writing homework, then keep ready the rough note. I'll tell you what to practice today in the rough. Okay, copy down. Finish, children. So now keep ready, rough note. Classwork, homework both finished now. Close both the books. Then keep ready, rough note. Take out rough note and practice. Yes. Now keep ready. Rough book. Which book? Rough note book. Classwork, homework, both the books closed. Keep ready. Rough note. Rough note book. Keep ready. Rough note book. Okay. Write in rough note. Right this side, plain shapes. Plain shapes. What is the shape? Circle. What is this? Circle. This one? Square. What is this? Square. Triangle. What is this? Triangle. Then what is the shape name? Rectangle. You scale and draw neatly. This oval. Oval. So what you should do? Take out rough note and practice these shapes today. Okay? How many times you will practice in your rough note? Three times you practice. Okay? So you will learn to draw the shapes also, and you will learn to write the shapes names also, spelling also. So three times you practice in your rough note. Say I written your rough notebook, take out and copy. Understand, children? PLANE, plane, SHAPES, shapes. What is the shape? Circle. CIRCLE, circle. This one, what is this? Square. What is this? Square. SQUARE, square. This one, triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. Then here, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. This one, oval. What is the shape name? Oval. OVAL. Practice how many times in your rough note? Take out rough note and practice neatly. Shapes and shape names also. Both you should practice. Okay? Then this side you draw solid shapes. Solid shapes. Draw the solid shapes. Sphere. Sphere. Then cone. Cone. Cylinder. Cylinder. Then cube. What is this? Cube. I told not to square you draw. Then join the corners. This cube. Then cuboid. Draw the cuboid. To draw cuboid, you draw two. Which what? Rectangles. Two rectangles. This is cuboid. Okay. So, which book you are practicing, children? Take out rough note. Write the heading. Plane shapes. Shapes also you draw three times. Spellings also you write three times. Okay. And this side is solid shapes. What is this? Sphere. SPHERE, sphere. This is cone. CONE, cone. What is this? Cylinder. CYLINDER, cylinder. This is cube. CUB, cube. Cuboid. CUBOID, cuboid. Okay. This much you practice in your rough note. Both the shapes, plane shapes and solid shapes. neatly. Understand? One rectangle, then rectangle. Rectangle, don't mix up, okay? Cube means you draw square. For cuboid, you draw two rectangles, then draw the corners. Understand? So, like this, you draw, practice in your rough note neatly. I'll tell and give you now the shape, names of the shapes. Okay, spellings also, I'll tell and give you 3 times. Understand, children? Understand? Yes. Then you practice it. Say. PLANE, plane. SHAPES, shapes, plane, shapes. CIRCLE, circle. CIRCLE, circle. CIRCLE, circle. Then square. SQUARE, square. SQUARE, square. TRIANGLE, triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. You should learn the spellings also. Shapes also you should learn to draw, and spellings also you should write it correctly. Practice like that. RECTANGLE, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Oval. OVAL, oval. OVAL, oval. OVAL, oval. So these are the plane shapes, like solid shapes. SPHERE, sphere. SPHERE, sphere. SPHERE, sphere. CONE, cone. CONE, cone. CONE, cone. Next, cylinder. CYLINDER, cylinder. CYLINDER, cylinder. CYLINDER, cylinder. This is cube. CUBE, cube. CUBE, cube. CUBOID, cuboid. CUBOID, cuboid. CUBOID, cuboid. Understand, children? Any doubt? Yes, this is CUBE, cube. CUBE, cube. So, plane shapes, solid shapes, practice in your rough note. Then only you will learn to write it properly, isn't it? Yes. Yes, one more time I'll tell and give this. Yes, say plane shapes. CIRCLE, circle. CIRCLE, circle. CIRCLE, circle. SQUARE, square. SQUARE, square. SQUARE, square. TRIANGLE, triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. OVAL, oval. OVAL, oval. Solid shapes. SPHERE, sphere. SPHERE, sphere. CONE, cone. CONE, cone. CYLINDER, cylinder. CYLINDER, cylinder. CUBE, cube. CUBE, cube. CUBE, cube. CUBOID, cuboid. CUBOID, cuboid. Okay? Yes. So, these are all the mains you practice in rough note today. With that, tables also you shouldn't forget. That also you should practice. Okay? Just only tables, answers and revise here. You also revise in your rough note. But you should write full. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, like that. I'm writing here just answers. Just I'm revising, that's why. 2 ones are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Okay. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Tables also you should keep on practicing regularly. Okay, children. Next say 3 1s are 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. Okay, say 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. Then 4 ones. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Okay. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Let's say 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Okay. Then 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. Okay, 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. Practice this all in this today's class. What we all written today in the classwork, we wrote solid shapes. In the homework, you copied 91 to 100, and rough note, you're practicing both plane shapes and solid shapes. Okay. Once again, I'll tell and give. Then I will end up the class. Plane shapes: circle, this is square, triangle, rectangle, oval. Solid shape: sphere, cone, cylinder, cube. Cuboid. CIRCLE circle, SQUARE square, TRIANGLE triangle, RECTANGLE rectangle, OVAL oval, SPHERE sphere, CONE cone, CUBE cube, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Okay, this much you practice today. I'll continue in the next class. Thank you, children.